You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, US dollar. The dollar gained on Friday after continued fiscal cliff concerns and poor earning weeks on the risk appetite. Lower than expected industrial production figures for October and weak manufacturing also hit the sentiments, leading to the rise in safe haven demands. The greenback ended the day at 1.2741 to the euro and 81.31 to the yen. Today's data includes the existing home sales, which are expected to show a rise of 4.75 million. Next to the euro. The euro fell on Friday despite relatively strong trade data for September, as follows through selling after Thursday week's gross domestic price result continued to weaken. The single currency ended the day at 103.61 to the yen and 0.8020 to the pound. Today's data include the Eurozone construction's output. British pound. The pound traded mixed overall, falling to the dollar after a drop in the global risk appetite because of the US fiscal cliff concerns, but rising versus the euro, following recent weak growth for the Eurozones, which contrasts with the UK's strong Q3 gross domestic price results. The sterling ended the week at 1.5915 to the dollar and 129.08 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen traded mixed on Friday after previous heavy sellings eased up, following signs in the opinion polls that the opposition's ADP party might not win enough of the outright victory to implement a heavy money printing policy. The yen ended the day at 81.31 to the dollar and 103.61 to the euro. Tonight sees the major events with the Bank of Japan's money rate decisions. And now the sections you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If a pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.273 with 1.2775 and 1.28 inside. The downside penetrations are 1.272, which will call for slides toward 1.269 and 1.267. If we trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is to open long positions at 1.5885 with 1.5925 and 1.595 inside. The downside penetrations are 1.5875, which will call for 1.5855 and 1.5835. If a pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions at 80.9 with 81.6 and 81.9 as targets. The downside penetrations of 80.85, which will call for slides toward 80.65 and 80.3. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a good day.